Did you know Telegram has over 800 million monthly active users worldwide? Yep, it's not just for secret chats and meme sharing. Telegram is becoming a goldmine for making money, and the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard or have a huge following to get started. Now imagine this. You're sipping coffee, sending a few messages on Telegram, and boom, you've just made money. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm spilling the secrets on 7 awesome ways to monetize Telegram and turn those chats into cash. Let's get started. 1. Create a premium channel or group. Telegram lets you set up subscription-based channels or groups. Share exclusive content like fitness tips, stock market insights, or even cooking recipes. Charge a monthly fee and voila, you're earning. Humor angle. Think of it as Netflix, but instead of binge-worthy shows, you're delivering binge-worthy advice. 2. Affiliate marketing. Just like other platforms, Telegram is perfect for affiliate marketing. Share affiliate links in your channel or group and earn commissions when people buy through your links. Pro tip: use niches like tech gadgets, fitness equipment, or online courses. Add engaging messages like, "Check out this gadget. It's so cool it made my old headphones jealous." 3. Sell products or services. Got a product or skill? Sell it directly through Telegram. Whether it's handmade crafts, digital art, or freelance services, Telegram is a great way to connect with buyers. Fun example. Need a logo for your startup? I've got designs so fresh they come with a new car smell. 4. Run ads for other businesses. If you have a popular Telegram channel, businesses will pay you to promote their products. Start by offering ad slots to relevant brands in your niche. Tip: be selective with the ads you run. Your audience will appreciate quality recommendations over random plugs. "Guys, I only promote products I believe in, like this chair I'm sitting on. It's so comfy, I might never stand up again." 5. Dropshipping through Telegram. Combine Telegram with dropshipping. Share product catalogs, take orders, and forward them to suppliers who handle the shipping. You act as the middleman and keep the profit margin. Fun idea. Think of me as your online shopping buddy, minus the long queues and bad lighting. 6. Offer paid mentorship or courses. If you're an expert in something, coding, marketing, languages, you can create a mentorship program or mini courses and sell them on Telegram. Pitch it. Join my Telegram group and I'll teach you coding so good even robots will be jealous. 7. Create and sell Telegram bots. If you're into tech, this one's for you. Telegram bots can automate tasks, manage groups, or provide unique services, and businesses will pay good money for custom bots. Relatable twist. Don't worry, you don't need to create a robot that takes over the world, just one that sends cute cat gifs on demand. Which of these ideas caught your attention? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell icon for more creative money-making tips.